Creating a digital marketing campaign without a strategy is like driving a vehicle without a GPS. The outcomes are limitless, especially nowadays when almost all industries and niches have become saturated. For your business to survive, you need at least one efficient and cost-effective strategy to support your digital marketing efforts. We've handpicked the easiest strategies for you to try in this video and saved the most important strategy for last. So be sure to stick around because you'll need this play to take your business to the next level. Before deep diving into these strategies, what exactly is a digital marketing strategy? Understanding what it means is the first step to knowing what will best suit your business's short and long-term goals. A digital marketing strategy is simply a plan that completely and carefully outlines how your business will establish and improve a robust internet presence, reaching your target audience as much as possible and encouraging them to become paying customers. There are a lot of digital marketing channels at the moment, and it is simply illogical to build your digital marketing efforts around all these channels. Apart from not being cost-effective, it can be very energy draining, especially for a small or medium-sized business. Therefore, your strategy helps you to narrow down your choices depending on the needs and goals of your business and where your target audience is more populated. This explains why the best digital marketing strategies are a product of deep market and customer research. Now that you understand what a digital marketing strategy is, let's get into the 3 easy digital marketing strategies you should consider implementing into your marketing efforts this year. Number 1, content marketing. Nowadays, everyone is talking about content. Everywhere on the internet is filled with content in all forms, and several businesses are now leveraging this to promote their products and services. Content marketing refers to producing and distributing online materials without directly selling or appearing salesy. This strategy creates a win-win situation between your business and your target audience. The target audience enjoys expert-vetted insights and information about topics in your niche. In turn, your business earns their trust and enjoys brand awareness as more people interact with the materials you put out. However, of course, this doesn't just happen like magic. Beyond everything else, the content you plan to use for your content marketing strategy must be eye-catching, engaging, entertaining, and unmatched value. These characteristics are the fundamentals that separate and put you ahead of your competitors who are implementing the same strategy. With the attention span of humans reducing every day, your target audience will look elsewhere almost immediately after they notice your content doesn't provide them with the amount of value they want. And guess who they will be considering? Your competitors, of course. This is why you must be intentional when implementing this strategy. Content marketing is relatively straightforward, but must be done appropriately and consistently before you can enjoy its juice. Another exciting fact is that content marketing works on various digital platforms. As I mentioned earlier, content is everywhere. And all you are simply doing is harnessing that abundantly available content to promote your products while educating and entertaining your target audience. You can incorporate videos, texts, infographics, blog articles, podcasts, audios, audio visuals, and many more forms of content into your content marketing strategy. Therefore, this also implies that content marketing is arguably the foundation of all other digital marketing strategies. If there is no content that your users can consume, then what are you really doing? Spotify has hacked into content marketing, and the company effortlessly serves as a reference for many other businesses incorporating this strategy. One of their multiple campaigns involving content marketing is Spotify Wrapped, launched in the 4th quarter of 2017 and has become a yearly ritual. Spotify Wrapped is an end-of-the-year summary of each user's listening preferences and habits. The content they share in this summary includes eye-catching illustrations, graphs, videos, and so on. Apart from providing huge value for their users, Spotify also uses this strategy to ensure high user engagement, thanks to the creativity that goes into the reports. Almost all Spotify users look forward to their summaries at the end of the year, and apart from that, more and more people are prioritizing Spotify over other streaming platforms because of this strategy. That is how effective content marketing can be, if done correctly. Number 2, local SEO. As the name suggests, it means optimizing your business so it can be found locally. The truth is, It will be a trying experience if you plan to struggle with the bigger guys for customers. These big companies have the marketing budget to win even you, their competitor, over. So, how do you survive? Narrowing your target to your immediate area so that your business will be amongst the top results when anyone searches for your services. To achieve this, you need a Google My Business profile. A Google My Business profile is basically your office on Google. So, let's say you offer roof cleaning services in California, and you have optimized your Google My Business profile to reflect this. Whenever someone searches for roof cleaning services in California or any related keywords on Google, there is a chance your business will come up over other bigger companies in your industry. With Google My Business, you can reach as many people as possible without spending a dime on pay-per-click advertisements on Google. However, understand that like other digital marketing strategies, it is easy doesn't mean it works like magic. You need to put in the work to optimize your Google My Business profile better than your competitors. Number 3, email marketing. Many people believe email is old school, but believe me, it still works like magic, and you will be leaving a lot of money on the table if you don't incorporate it into your digital marketing strategy. A 2019 report shows over 90% of active online users use emails, making email marketing an effective digital marketing channel, just as social media platforms are. It isn't a wise business idea to leave one for the other, except, of course, if you have conducted in-depth research and confirmed that your target audience does not use emails. And the chances of this are very low, if not impossible. Apart from helping you promote your products and services while motivating, engaging, and connecting with your paying customers and potential clients, email marketing is cost-effective. You will spend more on social media advertisements than on setting up your email campaigns. Thankfully, like keyword research, email marketing has also been made easier, and you really do not have to send emails one after the other to your email subscribers. Tools like MailChimp and HubSpot are automation tools that can help you send personalized content to your subscribers. But please note that some of these tools are paid for or subscription-based. We have now come to the end of this video. Digital marketing can be really challenging, especially if you aren't using the right strategy. But with the strategies discussed in this video, we hope you will start seeing big results for your business going forward. What strategy is your favorite? Let us know which marketing play your business runs in the comments. While you are at it, please like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and ring the notification bell so you will be among the first to know when we publish insightful marketing content like this one. Thank you for watching, and be sure to click our recent video here so you don't miss our other marketing hacks.